How much information can be transferred about premium IOLs or lens selection in the exam, in the evaluation? Not much. Time is eroding the trust between doctors and patients today. Patients also used to listen to doctors. Today, they listen not to you, but what do they listen to? TikTok, Instagram, Twitter. They're listening to all these different things because they don't know what they're going to get when they go to the office. There's no time. So they're turning to alternatives. They're not just Googling this, folks. What they're doing is this is a study talking about how patients are turning to TikTok for healthcare advice, specifically procedures. This is a post today I saw on Twitter. This is a guy named Brian Johnson. He does a lot of healthcare information on Twitter. He's basically the guy who says I'm never going to die. I'm don't die. He's got a whole platform called Don't Die. He wants to not age gracefully. He wants to live as long as he possibly can, and he's experimenting with his body to do that. Okay. He posted something today about I injected horse tranquilizer ketamine and tracked my brain function. And ketamine is a psychedelic now approved in many cases for depression and for anxiety and pain as well. And it's given in 2,000 clinics across the country. And so you have not these clinics, these doctors in the clinic teaching you about ketamine. It's a dude on Twitter. Okay. He may be well informed, may not be. But the reality is, this is where patients are getting healthcare information, not from you, not from the clinic.